All right, what is good, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk with you about a book that every trader must read. This is one of my favorite, if not favorite, books when it comes to trading, and it's called The Forex Mindset by Jared Martinez. Now, listen, this isn't a book about strategies or systems or playbooks or indicators or anything like that. This book is about the mental game, right? The part that actually matters, the part that decides whether you make it or break it as a trader. Because let's be real, the charts don't beat you, right? Your mind is what takes you out. And that's exactly what this book right here, The Forex Mindset, is going to help you fix. Part one. The market is a mirror, right? Martinez talks about something pretty powerful, and he says the market is a mirror. It doesn't react to what you think. It reflects who you are. So if you're fearful, you will trade scared, right? If you are a greedy individual, you will begin to overtrade, you will begin to over risk, over leverage. If you are an impatient individual, you'll chase every move in the market. And when you trade like that, it's not that the market punishes you, you punish yourself by breaking the plan. Your biggest enemy in trading isn't other traders, it's not the market, it's your own emotions. So once you master your mindset, the charts start to look completely different at that point. You stop reacting and you start observing. Part two, control the emotions. He says you can't stop emotions from showing up, but you can begin to control how you respond to them, right? You can't stop fear, but you can notice it. You can question it. You can't stop greed, but you can pause and think for a moment before beginning to get emotionally hijacked. That's what Martinez calls emotional control. He says when you become emotionally detached from your trades, you begin to trade like the professional, because when you detach, it's not personal anymore. You stop trying to win every trade. You stop trying to prove something and you start focusing on executing the plan that actually leads to long-term profitability. Part three, patience pays. And we talk about this all the time. This was one of my biggest takeaways from reading this book. Martinez says that the market doesn't pay you for your activity. It pays you for your accuracy. So most traders lose not because they're doing too little, they're doing too much. They're too much in the markets, right? They see one candle push and boom, they're in. They've got no plan, they've got no confirmations, they've got no management style, just entering in, right? But the pros, they don't do that. The pros wait. They wait for alignment, they wait for confirmation, they wait for their setup. He even says you should fall in love with not trading just as much as you fall in love with trading, because when you're not trading, you're staying disciplined, and that discipline is where the real money's made. Part four, the trader's mindset. Martinez breaks down what he calls the trader's mindset, and if you live like this, your results will change forever. Here's what it looks like. Number one, he talks about discipline, and we talk about discipline all the time, right? Following your plan, never deviating no matter what your feelings say, what your emotions say, staying on pace to win. Number two, he talks about patience, waiting for the quality setups, not the quantity, really being a sniper versus some sort of machine gun trader, right? Number three is confidence. Trust your process, right? Trust your data, we talk about on the live stream. Number four is consistency. Show up, do the same thing every day. And number five is remain positive. He says the moment you stop chasing money and start mastering yourself is the moment that the money starts chasing you. And that is deep, because most traders are trying to force profits instead of becoming a person who actually attracts them throughout their process, throughout their habits, throughout their system. So trust the process, remain process focused, process over profits, and then you'll see the money come in. Wrapping up here, here's the truth. The Forex Mindset isn't a book about the market, it's a book about you. Your results don't change until you change. If you're serious about leveling up, get this book, read this book, highlight the major takeaways, things that resonate with you, things that you feel like you can apply moving into the next couple weeks and the next couple months. And the next time you feel like bummed out for taking a loss or you feel impatient, don't beat yourself up. Remember, the market is exposing your mindset. That's all. It'll teach you exactly what you need to work on, when you need to work on it. Just listen to the data. Once you master your mental game, the profits begin to follow. If this hits home with you, Drop a comment. Tell me what emotion cost you the most. Was it fear, greed, impatience? And let me know that you're ready to improve that and level up in that area. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Come visit us on the YouTube live streams Monday through Friday, where we talk about mindset, we talk trading, trading psychology, and how to actually win in the game of life. Come trade live with us Monday through Friday, and we'll see you then. Everyone else, see you on the next live stream. Peace.